50% off Craftsman batteries, 56% off a Cobalt impact wrench. Lowe's Memorial Day deals are wild this year, and we found the 32 best ones so you don't waste time hunting. Secure deal links are in the description box. Let's get into it. Number 32. Metabo HPT 36V 1-pack lithium-ion 4Ah battery and charger. Was $219, now $159. 27% off. Running out of power is the fastest way to ruin a great day of building, making a high-capacity power block a super smart investment for your garage. This 36-volt monster pushes out incredible juice to keep your heavy-duty equipment running strong for hours, without needing constant stops to plug into a wall. Number 31. DeWalt 20V Max half-inch cordless drill kit. Was $179, now $99, 45% off. Trying to push screws into tough wood with a weak motor will completely ruin your day, which makes upgrading to a pro-level driver absolutely necessary. This specific model gives you tons of power in a really compact body, so you can fit it into tight cabinets or awkward corners without any weird wrist pain. Number 30. Craftsman 299-piece mechanics tool set. Was $359, now $259, 28% off. Hunting around your messy drawers for that one missing socket is a massive waste of time when you're trying to fix your car quickly. This massive collection gives you every single wrench and bit you could ever possibly need, all perfectly organized in an incredibly sturdy hard case. Number 29. Craftsman V20 20V 2-pack lithium-ion batteries. Was $159, now $79, 50% off. Running out of juice right in the middle of a major weekend project is completely frustrating, but having this backup power source fixes that problem instantly. You get a double pack that works perfectly with a massive lineup of different outdoor and indoor equipment, ensuring your garage is always fully equipped. Number 28. DeWalt 20V lithium-ion air inflator. Was $169, now $149, 12% off. Waking up to a flat tire on your car or a squishy basketball before a big game is super annoying, but this handy little machine solves it in minutes. It runs completely on batteries, so you can carry it right out to the driveway without having to drag a massive orange extension cord across your lawn. Number 27. Greenworks 24V 5A brushless cordless reciprocating saw kit. Was $129, now $99.99, 22% off. Tearing apart old wooden fences or ripping through tough branches is a total nightmare if you're stuck using a rusty hand blade. This cordless powerhouse uses a super smart motor to slice right through almost anything you put in front of it, turning heavy demolition work into an absolute breeze. Number 26. Greenworks 24V 6.5-inch brushless cordless circular saw kit. Was $129, now $109.99, 15% off. Trying to cut thick sheets of wood in your driveway with a corded machine means you're always tripping over annoying power lines. This battery-powered beast cuts fast and clean, giving you total freedom to work wherever you want without being chained down to a single spot. Number 25. Craftsman 2000 Series 6-drawer steel tool chest. Was $398, now $344, 13% off. Leaving your expensive gear scattered all over a messy workbench is the easiest way to lose things and slow down your important weekend projects. This heavy-duty metal storage unit gives you 6 massive drawers that glide perfectly smooth, keeping everything super safe and easy to find when you need it. Number 24. Cobalt 24V brushless half-inch drive cordless impact wrench. Was $229, now $99, 56% off. Trying to break off rusty lug nuts with a tiny hand wrench is guaranteed to leave your arms burning and your knuckles completely busted. This powerful cordless beast uses a super smart motor to blast off stubborn bolts in less than a second without you breaking a single sweat. Number 23. Greenworks 24V 10-tool brushless combo kit. Was $999.99, now $699.99, 30% off. Buying every single piece of battery-powered equipment one by one will absolutely drain your bank account faster than you can ever imagine. This massive bundle literally gives you an entire garage worth of high-quality gear in one single box, covering everything from drilling holes to cutting thick boards. Number 22. Craftsman V20 18-gauge cordless straight finish nailer. Was $259, now $219, 15% off. Dragging heavy air hoses through your nicely painted living room is incredibly annoying and super dangerous when you're trying to install fancy baseboards. This clever battery-powered gun lets you shoot brads into thick wood perfectly straight without ever needing to turn on a loud and annoying air pump. Number 21. Cobalt 9-drawer rolling wood workbench. Was $498, now $448, 10% off. Trying to assemble complicated projects on a wobbly plastic folding table will drive you completely crazy and probably ruin whatever you're building. This beautiful solid wood top gives you an incredibly strong surface to pound on while having 9 massive metal drawers underneath to hide all your clutter. Number 20. DeWalt 12-inch dual bevel compound corded miter saw. Was $429, now $329, 23% off. Flipping heavy 12-foot boards over and over just to get a perfectly angled cut is exhausting and usually leads to really bad mistakes. This monster machine tilts smoothly in both directions and spins a massive blade, letting you slice through incredibly thick posts in one simple motion. Number 19. Boss Stitch 3.5-inch 21-degree pneumatic framing nailer. Was $269, now $219, 19% off. Swinging a heavy metal hammer all day to build a wooden wall will literally destroy your shoulders and take 3 times as long as it should. This air-powered beast shoots giant metal spikes into thick wood framing faster than you can blink, making big construction jobs feel like absolute child's play. Number 18. Boss Stitch 3.5-inch 15-degree pneumatic framing nailer. Was $299, now $249, 17% off. Trying to jam a massive straight gun into the tight corners of floor joists is almost impossible and leaves you super frustrated on the job site. The aggressive 15-degree angle on this specific magazine lets you slip perfectly into awkward spots while still blasting huge fasteners deep into solid lumber. Number 17. Bosch adjustable rolling miter saw stand. Was $399, now $349, 13% off. Carrying a heavy cutting machine out to the driveway every single morning is a fast track to serious back pain and totally ruined weekends. This incredibly smart cart lets you leave your machine bolted down and simply roll the whole heavy setup exactly where you need to work. Number 16. Boss Stitch Smart Point 16-gauge pneumatic finish nailer. Was $199, now $169, 15% off. Leaving giant, ugly dents in your brand new door frames because the tip of your gun is too bulky will totally ruin hours of hard work. The incredibly tiny nose on this model lets you place your shots with perfect accuracy without needing to push down super hard on the delicate wood. Number 15. Boss Stitch 23-gauge pneumatic pin nailer. Was $189, now $139, 26% off. Trying to attach tiny pieces of decorative wood with normal glue takes forever, and using regular nails will split the delicate pieces right in half. This super clever machine shoots microscopic pieces of wire that instantly hold the wood perfectly tight without leaving any visible holes that you have to fill later. Number 14. DeWalt 2-in-1 modular impact drill attachment. Was $34.98, now $27.98, 20% off. Trying to squeeze a bulky power tool into the incredibly tight corners of your kitchen cabinets is basically impossible and totally annoying. This super clever little attachment bends and twists to reach exactly where you need it, letting you drive screws into spots you could never easily reach before. Number 13. Greenworks 24-volt brushless cordless reciprocating saw kit. Was $159, now $119.99, 25% off. Tearing down old walls or ripping apart stubborn tree branches with a handsaw is the most miserable and sweaty chore you can possibly do. This battery-powered beast uses a super smart motor to thrust an aggressive blade back and forth so fast that demolition work feels like a total breeze. Number 12. Facro insulated steel folding attic ladder. Was $13.58, now $12.22.20, 10% off. Dragging a heavy and dangerous metal ladder through your hallway every time you want to put boxes in the ceiling is a giant hassle. This incredibly strong steel folding system installs right into your ceiling and gives you a rock-solid, super safe way to climb up to your hidden storage space. Number 11. Svope's 79-inch by 30.9-inch creeper. Was $151, now $134.39, 11% off. Lying directly on the freezing cold and dirty concrete floor while changing your car oil is totally miserable and ruins your good clothes. This massively oversized rolling bed gives your entire body a super comfortable place to rest while giving you perfect access to the bottom of your vehicle. Number 10. Svope's Lawnmower Blade Sharpener was $312.99, now $281.69. 10% off. Cutting your thick summer grass with a dull edge tears up the plants and makes your front yard look sick and completely terrible. This heavy-duty grinding machine brings back a razor-sharp factory edge to your heavy metal parts in just minutes, making your tractor cut perfectly clean again. Number 9. Craftsman 60-piece combination wrench set was $332, now $199. 40% off. Not having the exact size wrench you need when you're deeply involved in fixing an engine block is the most infuriating feeling ever. This incredibly massive collection covers literally every single size you could ever dream of, ensuring you never have to stop working just to visit the store. Number 8. Boss Stitch 15-gauge half-inch narrow crown flooring pneumatic stapler was $449, now $329, 27% off. Installing expensive hardwood planks with the wrong fasteners guarantees your brand new living room is going to squeak every time you walk across it. This heavy-duty flooring machine shoots tough staples perfectly straight into the wood, locking everything down completely tight for years to come. Number 7. Vevor 14-inch worm drive concrete saw was $250.99, now $199.09, 21% off. Trying to chop through solid stone driveways or thick brick walls with a weak motor will instantly burn out your machine and leave you stuck. This massive electric beast uses special internal gears to create an insane amount of torque, slicing cleanly through solid rock without bogging down at all. Number 6. Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator was $399.99, now $299.99, 25% off. Getting lost in the backcountry with zero cell signal and no way to call for help is genuinely life-threatening. This tiny device sends SOS signals and two-way messages from literally anywhere on Earth via satellite. Number 5. Vevor 9-inch worm drive concrete saw was $200.99, now $180.89, 10% off. Sometimes wielding a massive 14-inch demolition machine is way too heavy for smaller paving stones or tiny bathroom tile removal jobs. This super aggressive smaller version still packs the crazy torque of those special internal gears, but in a much lighter body that your arms can handle easily. Number 4. Vevor 2000-foot green self-leveling laser level kit was $289.99, now $214.90, 26% off. Trying to build incredibly long fences or hang perfectly straight drop ceilings using a tiny bubble stick is absolutely guaranteed to end in a crooked disaster. This crazy smart machine shoots a massive, incredibly bright green line across giant properties, automatically finding perfect flat lines without you touching a thing. Number 3. Raidway 7-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet was $239.99, now $215.99, 10% off. Leaving your expensive wrenches and heavy drills scattered across the garage floor is the fastest way to lose them or break them by accident. This tough metal storage box rolls perfectly around your workspace on heavy wheels and gives you 7 deep drawers to lock up all your favorite gear. Number 2. DeWalt 20-inch variable speed corded scroll saw was $599, now $499, 17% off. Cutting insanely delicate wooden puzzles or fancy decorative arts with standard heavy saws will absolutely shatter the tiny pieces into a million bits. This super smooth table machine uses microscopic blades moving at whatever speed you choose to carefully glide through expensive wood like a hot knife through butter. Number 1. Craftsman 2000 Series 8-drawer rolling workbench was $649, now $549, 15% off. Having nowhere to store your biggest heavy-duty power blocks and messy hand gear makes your garage feel like an absolute disaster zone. This massive iron fortress sits on super tough wheels and gives you 8 giant gliding drawers, topped with a solid surface you can actually build things on. These crazy tags are definitely not going to stick around forever, especially on massive names like DeWalt and Craftsman. The link's in the description to grab your favorites before the shelves are completely stripped bare. Subscribe to Valid Consumer right now so you never miss another insane deal.